We are track record.
We are never finished.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're not gonna do anything super crazy, and we're gonna get some stuff done that needs to get done. Actually really important stuff that we gotta do for this channel, and it's actually really serious stuff.
Super secret.
This is gonna be a video full of secrets, so if you don't like that, and if you don't like watching a video that basically doesn't tell you anything, and it's just visually pleasing, you're gonna enjoy this one. So we're gonna go to Best Buy, buy a tripod, because Jordan's tripod broke. So we're gonna get him a new tripod. Then we're gonna drive up to our spot. And we gotta take some pictures. We're gonna be a photo shoot type of day. I know it's not like an install. You enjoying those chips, Jordan?
Yep.
We'd rather do something fun and easy and simple than not upload at all, because I know we've been busy. I feel every time we don't upload, it's because we're working towards the betterment of humanity. Not really.
And ourselves.
And ourselves. We're working on something, and it's killing us because we want to tell you guys, but soon we will be able to tell you, reveal to you what we're working on. It's big. It's big. I can promise you guys that it's going to be big.
It's going to be bigger than we thought, but actually when you look at it, it's just the right size.
Alright, so let's go to Best Buy. I'm going to follow you. And Jordan, I'm a little worried about this. Best Buy driveways, the driveway to get into Best Buy is like, it's bumper destroying. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it in.
We might have to back in.
It's like a busy street. Alright, if you guys are longtime subscribers, you will remember possibly that Jordan one time just randomly, without a backup camera, parked in front of this truck right here and just got super close. I thought you were touching, but you're literally... Look at this. I don't think you could get any closer to your truck. Oh my gosh. So with my backup camera, I'll go on this side. I tried to beat his record of closeness to this truck, and I think, I don't know, it's pretty close. But I'm not touching, but I cheated with the backup camera. Okay, I'm ready. So many exhaust smells. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. A little dizzy. Gotta make this turn. We're on our way to Best Buy right now. So I will see you guys as we try to pull into that driveway. I hope we don't have to pull into it. I'm gonna try to find a back way, but I'm hoping Jordan remembers. Oh yes, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that driveway. There's Best Buy and a nice smooth driveway, no scraping. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's get into Best Buy, get out, and get to the spots. All right, this is the last stretch. We gotta beat the sun down. The sunset is what we need to get this shot, so we just need to get past this one last stretch of road and then we're there. This is seriously, always has to be the last second for us. I don't know why. There it is, the end of the road. That's where we're going, right there. Oh! Dang! That was crazy. Wow. I had no idea for a second what the heck that was. It just flew by. I think that was a demon or a challenge or a hellcat or a demon or something. All right, so we're gonna be taking this picture, and we need to set up a tripod that we bought. We need to be fast though, so I might not show a lot because we need to be moving fast. Didn't quite get the sun, but this will work fine. Actually, can we go farther back and then zoom in?
Yeah.
Because that'll compress the depth a little bit of the background and not make it so just like regular looking. So let's actually go all the way back here.
Back to where it was?
No, even farther actually. Gosh, look at that sky. Looks so good. Jeez, I got the timer on. We officially got all of the shots that we needed, all of the pictures that we needed, and I mean the sky just looks so good. All right, so let's get back to your house, Jordan, and close it out. And we'll call it a night. All right, so I'm back home. So I know today's video wasn't anything too crazy, too over the top with the cars, but it was really an important video for us and this channel. It may not seem like it, but it really is, and you guys will see what it's going to be about a little bit down the road. But there are things happening within this channel, that changes that are in progress, that me and Jordan are so excited about, and we've been working so hard on them, and we can't wait to share them with you and just show you all the things. There's a lot of things that are going to be changing with this channel for the better, but also just with what we're doing overall. We want to kind of shift gears a little bit here, but I don't want to get into it too much right now. But so hopefully over the next few months you guys will start seeing what we're talking about, and everything will kind of start coming together. So I know a lot of this doesn't make a whole lot of sense right now, but and also thank you for bearing with us. I know the past couple uploads have been like within a few weeks of each other. There's been some gaps, and so we realize that, and we really appreciate you guys sticking with us and just bearing with us in these times that we're taking a little bit more time to work on this stuff for you guys. But we promise there are things in the works, and so I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video that you're watching right now so I can get it up for tomorrow morning, and then this weekend Jordan and I are gonna be filming 2 videos because it's harder for us to shoot during the weekdays, and then next week, the week after that, it's gonna be just a hustle week for us, just getting all of this stuff that we're working on, just kind of bringing it all together, and then shortly after that we'll be able to announce what we're doing with this channel and what we're doing with our content, and like I said, we're both really excited about it. So I'm gonna get to work so you guys can enjoy this video, and as always, we are never finished, and we will catch you guys in the next one.